2003 Toyota Corolla. Today we are going to be replacing the Serpentine belt. This is the new belt right here. That's the part number. So first things first, before you start this job, go ahead and crank the car up and turn the wheel all the way to the right side. That's going to be the belt right here. The tools you're going to need, I have a long 3/8 ratchet with a 19mm socket right here. Then I have a 10mm socket. 10mm is, we're going to be using this to remove the splash cover right here. So you got two 10mm bolts right here. Then you can remove that cover. The reason why we're taking that off is so we can access the belt right here. That's going to be the belt tensioner right here. So let's go ahead and get started. I got my long 3/8 ratchet right here. So before you take off the belt, go ahead and take a picture of the belt routing so you don't get confused on how to put it back on, because you want to make sure you put it on correctly. So we're gonna put it right here, just like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna push it down to relieve that tension in that belt. Once you do that, you can see that belt loosening up. You can go ahead and slide it out. Remove the ratchet for now. And we can go ahead and slide the belt out. You can remove it from the bottom as well. Off from here. So this belt definitely needs to be replaced. The new belt right here. To put the new belt in, we're gonna go ahead and start from the top. Just gonna slide it right here. So go ahead and place it on the alternator first. So this is the power steering pump right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here and slide it up on that pulley right here. Then we're gonna pull it down. It'll be the crankshaft pulley right here. So the AC compressor, we're gonna have to release the tension again, but the bottom part is lined up right here. That's the AC compressor. Go right here. We're gonna go right on the top again. Right now it's not lined up on the AC compressor, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the alternator again, just like how we took it off. Then we're gonna line up the belt right on the AC compressor pulley right there. There we go. Now all we got to do is pull the tension back and pull the tension back down like this. So now we're gonna pull the tension down like this, all the way down until we have enough slack to slide that belt back on the alternator. Almost there. There we go. So once you verify that everything's installed correctly, go ahead and crank the car up. That is how you install the Serpentine belt in this 2003 Corolla. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up, guys. Also click on the subscribe button. And again, thank you guys for watching.